Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PS5 randomly turning off. First, ensure your console's power cable is firmly connected at both ends. Sometimes a loose connection can cause unexpected shutdowns. Next, try plugging your console into a different wall outlet to confirm the power source is stable. If possible, test with a different power cord to eliminate the cable as a potential culprit. These simple checks often resolve many power-related issues without needing further steps. Overheating is a common reason for unexpected shutdowns. Make certain your console has sufficient space on all sides for good airflow. Dust accumulation can severely impede ventilation, so gently clean any visible vents using compressed air. Never place your PlayStation 5 inside a cramped cabinet or directly on thick carpet. Proper ventilation helps your system stay cool, preventing the internal components from reaching critical temperatures and initiating a protective shutdown. Software issues can also trigger random shutdowns, so always keep your console's system software updated. A corrupted database might be the cause, which you can often fix by rebuilding it in safe mode. Turn off your console completely, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Select Rebuild Database from the menu. This process reorganizes your hard drive, often resolving underlying software glitches without deleting your games. Now it is time for the final, crucial fry to achieve that ultimate crunch. Reheat the same oil to a higher temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the sliced bagnet pieces back into the very hot oil. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a deep golden brown color and a distinct, very crispy sound. The skin should be bubbly and crackling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.